Hello guys, today in this video, we are going to help you to find out the best bud vases in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review, and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 5. Vases set of 30 glass clear bud vases in bulk. Small vases for centerpieces, mini glass vintage vases for wedding decorations, centerpiece table decorations. Sturdy and thick glass. -30-piece bulk bud vases are made of high-quality, thick and strong glass which are durable and not easy to break. The bottom is non-slip and the center of gravity is stable. These petite little vases were perfect for wedding tables and also be reused for any other table decor or home decor. You can also add some dried flowers or aromatherapy sticks to the vase. All unique designs and different shapes and sizes. The biggest feature of these 30 small bud vases is the various vintage etching patterns on the glass surface. Small flowers vases come in different shapes and heights, 3 to 5.5 inches, to meet your various decorative needs. A single small vase can probably hold 1 to 3 flowers. Number 4. Arm glass bud vase set of 30-piece. Small vases for flowers, clear vintage vases for centerpieces, rustic wedding decorations, home table flower decor. Vintage design. You get 30 glass bud vase. Each small glass vase is decorated with etched patterns to further enhance its attractiveness. They are very classy and can be used in any environment, from elegant to simple and casual. They will become a beautiful decorative center on your windowsill, dining table, or wedding reception table. Thick and sturdy-eyed glass. These charming small flower vases are made of thick and strong glass, which is durable and not easily broken. The patterned surface treatment makes them look very textured and makes them shine under the light. You may see the beauty of individual stems of flowers and garden cuttings vividly from the glass vase. Number 3. Q2UMI24 Small Glass Mini Bud Vase Set for flowers in bulk, for rustic wedding decorations. Vintage look home table decor, centerpieces, clear. Centerpiece decor vases. Each set contains 24 glass bud vases of different shapes. The embossed printing texture is clear. Every detail of each product is carefully designed. Different heights and shapes make this series look unique and exquisite to meet any of your decorative needs in any environment. High-quality glass. The glass bud vase is made of high-quality glass with 3-dimensional carving. The bottle body is transparent, durable, and not easy to break. The bottle mouth is smooth and round. The bottom is non-slip, and the center of gravity is stable and not easy to fall. Multifunctional decoration. These cute retro glass bottles are sized for small flower buds, dried flowers, and reed diffusers, making flower arrangements easy, fun, retro, elegant, and classic. Number 2. ANIHUS set of 12 glass bud vases in bulk. Small vase for flowers. Clear vases set for rustic wedding decorations, home table flower decor, shelf decor. Mini vases 2.85 x 5.4. Material and quality. ANIHUS set of 12 clear glass vases are made of clear glass. Both all sides and bottom of the vase is thick in design, compared with ordinary vase more thick and strong. Classic design and spray color. Round vertical pattern design. The vase is more glaring than general vase, particularly in reflecting light. The vase will be very bright. Multiple occasions use. The vases can be used on their own, with fox flowers or fresh flowers as decorative pieces in your living room, dining room, bedroom, bathroom, on the table, shelf, bookshelf, mantle, entryway, etc. It can also be used as perfect decoration for parties, wedding, bridal, and baby showers. Number 1. Glass bud vase set of 22. Small vases for flowers, clear centerpieces, mini in bulk rustic wedding decorations. Vintage look home table flower decor. Different vintage look, rustic design. Contains 22 bud vases of different shapes. This set of glass vases for centerpieces is the design of relief on the glass surface, which is exquisite, beautiful, and unique. The different designs and heights and shapes make the collection interesting to look at even without flowers. High-quality small glass vase. Our 22 pieces small glass vase set is made of high-quality glass. Our glass is much thicker than others. Small bud vase is not easy to break. The thick and strong glass wall and base ensure durability. They are an essential single flower vase for many roses on your table.